setting up playoff brackets and managing postseason play, organizing and overseeing your league's playoffs on Sleeper. Now, by the way, if you do not know, Sleeper handles playoffs automatically based on regular season standings, and commissioners can adjust seeding manually before playoffs if needed. Playoff bracket display and advancement are automatic within the application or website, and no separate bracket setup is actually required. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Sleeper automatically generates the playoff bracket based on the final regular season standings. This means you don't have to manually create the bracket yourself. While the bracket is automatically generated, commissioners have the ability to adjust the seeding before the playoffs begin. This allows you to make changes if there are any tiebreakers or other factors that needs to be considered. There's also automatic bracket advancement, which means once the playoffs start, Sleeper automatically advances teams based on the result of each matchup, and you don't have to manually update the bracket after each round. There's playoff settings, which means Sleepers offers some customization options for your league's playoffs, such as the number of teams that make the playoffs and the format of the playoffs matches, like single elimination or the best of 3 series. Overall, Sleeper simplifies the process of managing your league's playoffs by automatically generating the bracket, advancing teams, and providing customization options. This frees up commissioners to focus on other aspects of running the league. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.